So good afternoon. This video is for anybody who is not sure how to launch Google Hangout. So what you're going to do is you're going to already be in your Campbell University Gmail. And inside your Campbell University email, you're going to click here on this pad. Once you click on the pad, you should see Google Hangouts. If you don't see Google Hangouts here, scroll down just a little bit where you see more, and you can click more and Google Hangouts should be there for you. So I'm going to click Google Hangouts here, and once I click Google Hangouts here, I am going to be clicking New Conversation. I'm going to add a group. I'm going to add your name to the group inside here, like so. You see everybody's names will appear in the group. Once everybody's names appear in the group, I will click Call Video, and you should hear your computer making a video call sound, and you'll just pick up on the video call. And that's basically it. Make sure you're using Chrome or when you're inside of Google Hangout. And maybe this afternoon, before we start the call, you can hang out one of your friends just to make sure that it works. Okay? All right, thanks.